of the unique country in the world. Do you agree with this?
Yes, we have to because India shows unity in diversity.
We all are gathered here to celebrate auspicious occasion of unity apart from all the diversity like different states, languages, food, clothes, etc.
There are 28 states and 8 union territories, but Delhi is our capital. Languages, there are 21 official languages such as Assamese, Bodo, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, but Hindi is our national language. This shows unity in languages.
Religious, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism with their holy books like Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible, Guru Grantha, etc. But we follow one, the written document, the Constitution of India.
Festivals, there are so many religion and harvesting festivals such as Diwali, Dasra, Onam, Pongal, Eid, Ramzan, Christmas. But we all together celebrate our Independence Day and Republic Day. This shows our unity.
Dance goes back to the Vedas, classical and folk dance like Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Yakshagana, which tells the story of two epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Music, there are two main schools in India of classical music called Carnatic and Hindustani, devotional music too. But we all together sing our national anthem, Janagana Mana, and our national song, Vande Mataram. This shows our unity.
We wear different clothes like sari, lehenga, kurta, dhoti and eat different foods like rice, sambar, roti and different fruits and vegetables which grow in our country vary from place to place depending upon the landform climatic season. But we vote one election to elect our leader. This shows unity among us.
Different people from different parts of our country join on August 15 in Indian Space Research Organization to launch a new lunar orbit incursion and successfully placing Chandrayaan 3 on the moon. This was the great achievement of this August month. India is on the path of development and we are proud to be an Indians. Thank you once again. We wish you all a very happy Independence Day.